Wow, we're on a colorful page. Isn't that pretty? We are on page 672, 672. And look at those pretty colors. Find the page. It's a rainbow page. It's got beautiful colors on it. Okay, this is a bar graph. Find the page with the bar graph, 672. Pause your video if you're not there. Okay, let's get started then. A bar graph uses bars to show data. Look at where the bars end. This tells how many. Okay, so we've done tally charts. Let me see if I can find a tally chart. There's a tally chart. We did picture graphs, like that picture graph. And here's a picture graph with umbrellas we just did today, right? And now we're going to move into bar graphs. Look at where the bar ends. You don't have to count. You just look at where it ends. 6. The green basketball, instead of having to count, it counts for you. Just go to the 6. The jump rope goes to the 3. The soccer goes to the 8. In a bar graph, they have this side that names the different games. But then on this side, they put another thing, the number of children. They count for us. Whereas when we did picture graphs, it doesn't count for us. It only gave us here the names of the months. Here it gives us the names of the children and their who had been looking for red trucks, it looks like, right? But it doesn't count for us. In a bar graph, they count for us. They put the count at the bottom. So you only have to go to the end of the bar to see how many there are. So I know children playing games, there were 6 children playing basketball, 3 jumping rope. Playing soccer, there were 8. And playing tag, there were 5. That's an easy way to record data. Again, it's called a bar graph because these are called bars. Like, a candy bar. Candy bars used to be rectangular always. So they look like a bar, like these bars. Also, they say bars like the bars in a jail. When they draw a jail, they draw a window and then it has bars so the clients can't get out. The prisoners can't get out. They put bars. Those are bars. These are bars too. Okay? Anyway, let's go on down. So this was children playing games. We're going to go look at another bar graph on the bottom. This is marbles in a bag. This is the number of marbles in the bag, and this is the different colors. So you can see red is 2 marbles, blue is 6, green is 4, and purple is 3. Okay, let's see how many of these you can do. You can redo that one, you can do that one, you can do this one. Try doing all 3 of these by yourself. So I want you to pause the video because you're going to be doing some reading. Pause the video and do these by yourself. Go ahead. Okay, I assume if you're doing this, you already did it. We're just checking it. You should have done them already. If you did not do these, stop your video and do them. Right? Okay, here we go. Let's check then. How many green marbles are in the bag? Green goes up. I don't have to count. I just go to the top and look across. 4. You don't have to count. You can go look on the side. It counts for you. Number 2. How many more blue marbles than purple marbles are in the bag? Here's blue, 6. Here's purple, 3. How do you find out how much more this is than this? You subtract. Subtract the 3. 6. Take away the 3. What's left? 3. 6. Take away 3. Leaves 3 extra. The blue has 3 more. Here's the blue. Here's the purple. If we take away the purple, the blue has 3 more. We took away 1 blue for each of the purples. That left 3 extra blues. Oh, sorry, I already did it. Don't put it there. Right there. Number 2. Now, number 3. How many marbles are in the bag? How many marbles? Well, we know there's 2 red and 6 blue and 4 green and 3 purple. How do we figure out how many marbles? How many all together? What do? We add 6 and 2 and 4 and 3. I'm going to do these two. What is 6 and 4? Do you know that? 6 and 4 is the same as 5 and 5. It's 10. How about 3 and 2? 3 and 2 is 5. 10 and 5. What's 10 and 5? 15, right? 10 más 5 son 15. Now let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ta-da! I added first. I like doing it that way instead of counting all the time. Okay, let's move on to the other side. Always, whenever you have to do a page like this with graph, with any kind of data, make sure you understand how they're displaying the data. They are using a bar graph. Use the bar graph. They're using a bar graph. So you look at the bar graph and you think, what is this bar graph about? It says favorite places to go. Aha. They probably asked the students, which are your favorite places to go to? Like on a field trip maybe. And over here it says place. And over here it says number of children. Here are the places they gave us as choices. Go to a museum, go to the beach, go to the zoo, and go to the aquarium. Which one was the most? The zoo had 8, right? The aquarium had 4. The beach had 6, and the museum had 3. I bet you if I took this, gave this question in our class, the number 1 pick would be what? Did you guess the beach? I bet you the beach. Kids loved going to the beach. Okay, you're going to try number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Try the whole page. See if you can do all of them. All of them on bottom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll tell you, 4 is very easy. 5 should be very easy. 6 is a little harder. 7 is a little bit harder. And 8, I think 7's a little bit harder than 8. But even 8's not that hard. Go ahead, try them on your own. Pause the video and do them now. Okay, now, if you did not do them, pause your video and do them. You have to try them by yourself. That's how you get smart in math, not by cheating and just waiting for Mr. Farrar to give you the answer. You have to really try them on your own. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? How many children chose the beach? Well, here's the beach. How many children? 6. You know what I'm going to start doing, boys and girls? I'm going to start doing this. As soon as I am done one, I am going to cover it so people don't copy the answer. How's that? Which place did the fewest children choose? Okay, the fewest. Let me look here. What does fewest mean? ¿Más grande o más chiquito? Más chiquito. ¿Cuál es el más chiquito? Which is the fewest? El menor. Ese es el menor. What place? It asks which place, so we don't want to put 3. We want to put the place. Museum. Now I'm going to have to do this, boys and girls. I'm going to have to maybe fold the paper and cover it, because I don't want people copying. Some people might just turn on the video to this part and copy the answer. So I'm going to go like this. How's that, huh? Take that, put that in your pipe and smoke it. Okay, whatever. Most children don't cheat like that. How many children How many more children chose the zoo than the aquarium? How much bigger is this than this? How many more chose the zoo than the aquarium? How much bigger? Well, look, you can see how much.